Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the positive and negative pole with horn and light and battery. Okay, let's start. And this part divided into 4 wires. The red wire and black wire connect to the battery, yes, and the green wire connect to the horn. Yes, it's okay. And for the white wire connect to the battery positive pole, and the yellow wire connect to the light, LED light with negative pole of battery. And this is remote control and speakers. This is without battery. You can directly charge with a USB. It's perfect. Let's see. Light turns on. Yes, for speaker. Okay, turn off.
快剪辑，让短视频每一秒都精彩。